When your Frigidaire dishwasher isn't draining properly, the first step is performing a thorough visual inspection to identify the root cause of the problem. Modern Frigidaire dishwashers display specific error codes to help diagnose drainage problems. The most common codes are I30 for drainage issues, IF0 for flood conditions, and I20 for drain pump problems. Before diving into repairs, run an empty wash cycle to observe the drainage timing and behavior. This diagnostic step helps isolate whether the problem occurs during the wash or drain phase. Drainage problems fall into three main categories. Clogs account for 70% of all cases and typically involve food debris in filters, grease buildup in drain hoses, or garbage disposal blockages. Mechanical failures represent 25% of drainage issues. These include wash pump motor failures, malfunctioning drain solenoids, and damaged impellers that require professional repair. Installation and plumbing issues make up the remaining 5% of problems. These include improper drain hose routing, missing air gaps, and incorrect garbage disposal connections. Understanding these common drainage issues and their frequency helps you prioritize your troubleshooting approach. Start with the most likely causes, clogs and filter problems, before moving to more complex mechanical or installation issues. The first step in troubleshooting dishwasher drainage issues is cleaning the filter system. This is the most common cause of drainage problems and often the easiest to fix. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. The cylindrical filter is located at the bottom of the dishwasher tub and unscrews counterclockwise. Rinse the filter under hot water and use a soft brush to remove debris. Check for cracks or damage that would require replacement. Also, clean the upper spray arm filter screen. Step 2 involves verifying the drain path. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal, run it with cold water for 30 seconds to clear any blockages. Next, inspect the drain hose for kinks or compression points. Ensure it has a proper high loop or air gap installation to prevent backflow from the sink drain. If drainage issues persist, evaluate the pump system. Listen for unusual noises during the drain cycle, which can indicate pump motor problems or impeller obstructions. Always disconnect power before checking the impeller rotation. If you hear grinding noises or the impeller doesn't rotate freely, the pump may need professional service or replacement. Regular maintenance prevents most drainage issues. Clean filters monthly for heavy use or bi-monthly for average households. Schedule annual professional inspections for dishwashers over 5 years old. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance schedule will help ensure your Frigidaire dishwasher drains properly and operates efficiently for years to come.